Yeah, we're going to show you how to apply to the university through Cal State Apply. Click on the university application right here, and it's going to open it to Cal State Apply. I'm going to scroll down and select the fall 2023. It's going to prompt you to create an account. You're going to make sure you see fall 2023 listed on the left-hand side. When you sign in to create an account, you're going to make sure you set your extended profile to second bachelor's degree and beyond, and select these two options, graduate and service credential. You're going to answer all the questions and then save changes. When you go to add in a program for East Bay, you're going to filter to the Cal State East Bay. And under East Bay credential, you will see the clear. That's for the, if you have a preliminary already and a job, then you'd be applying for that one. There is the option for the preliminary administrative services. However, we recommend that you scroll down to under East Bay graduate and select the educational leadership, and that's under E. And you're going to select that one. It's not mandatory to continue into the master's after the first year. However, it does give you the option with no obligation. And if you decide to take 2 semesters off, you can come back for the next semester to complete the master's. You're going to select that, and then you're going to go back to your application. Once you select a program, it's going to ask you personal information questions. You're going to answer those. There's a question about the teaching credential. You select not interested because it's just asking about multiple and single subject. For academic history, you are going to list all the colleges you attended for your bachelor's degree, post-bachelor's credential, community college. Even if transfer coursework appears in another school's transcripts, you're going to list them and all the information about them. However, for GPA entries, you're going to select under each college that you don't have a GPA to add. Each school, you're going to go to edit. I don't have a GPA to add. There's no requirement for standardized tests, so you can select the option not to add any standardized test. Application, again, East Bay does not require you to add any experiences, so you can opt not to add any. And under program materials, for each school that each campus that you're applying to, you're going to select that campus and answer any additional questions. If you're just applying to East Bay, there's no additional questions. So that option, you can look at it, but there's no additional questions there. So once you answer all the questions on your application, every quadrant here will be green. If it's not, you need to go back into it, click on each bar and answer the questions. When you are ready to submit, these bars will be green and there'll be a check here. If you have other campuses here and you're deciding not to apply to them, you need to remove them because this total fee is a non-refundable $70 application fee for each campus you're applying to. So I'm going to remove that one. Yes, delete it, and then it will go down to $70. I'm confirming my program, my campus, my term. And then when all the questions are answered, I'll be able to submit. When I go to check status, I can download my application for confirmation for my department application that I applied to the university. Once you do submit your application on Cal State Apply, you will be getting an email from Cal State Apply from East Bay Admissions requiring transcripts from all schools attended. Wait until you do get that email with your net ID, and then you can start ordering transcripts. And that is the university application.